kids, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. I am Kirti Koili. I am your mathematics teacher. Student, take out your book and your notebook and do page number 139. Your topic is symmetry. What is symmetry? The dotted line which divides the figures into two equal parts is called its line of symmetry. Then example, this is a rectangle is divided by two equal parts. It's called a symmetry. Lines of symmetry can be drawn vertical line as well as horizontal line depending upon the shapes or the object. This line is vertical. Then start for exercise student 9G. Now your A is draw all possible line of symmetry in the following figures. Now student, your first figure is all possible line of symmetry. This figure is only for one possible line of symmetry. Now this line is vertical. Vertical line is divided by this figure is equal parts. Now second is used for all possible line. Only two lines possible this figure. Then horizontal line and vertical line divided by the equal two parts. Now next is this figure is divided by the only for vertical line is divided by the two equal parts. Now student, next this figure is divided by the one line only for vertical line is used for the two divided parts. Now next this figure is divided by the vertical line and second horizontal line. Now two possible line of symmetry this figure. Now next figure divided by the two lines. Then first is vertical, second is horizontal. Two line possible line of symmetry in this figure. Now next figure is this one is vertical line, second is horizontal. How many possible line? Two possible line. This figure is divided by equal parts. Now next figure is divided by only for one line. Vertical line is divided by the equal parts. Now your next is draw all possible line of symmetry in the following letters. Now your first letter is C. C, how many all possible line? Only for one possible line. This is a horizontal line divided by the equal parts C. Now next is this letter M. M is divided by the vertical line only for one possible line. Now N is draw no possible line of symmetry. Is only for student temporary line. This one is temporary line. Then opposite sides are not equal. Then draw this letter is no possible line. Then draw the symmetry for this letter. Now next R. R is no possible line of symmetry in this letter. And next S. S is no possible line of symmetry letter. Then only for temporary possible line. This line is temporary but opposite sides are not equal. Then this letter is no symmetry line. Now next letter is T. T is used for vertical line divided by the equal parts. Now next U use the vertical line only for one possible line divided by the equal parts. Now next V. V is used for the vertical line divided by the equal parts. Now student, next is W. W is used for the vertical symmetry line then equal divided by the equal parts. Now next Y. Y is used for the vertical line is how many possible lines? Only for this letter is only for one possible line. Now your question number C, draw lines of symmetry for the following figures. Now your first figure is divided by the two equal parts, then line of symmetry, which line? Vertical line. Now next figure used for the horizontal line, used for the figure is symmetry. Now next is which line? Draw line of symmetry for the following figure. This line only for vertical line. Now next is this line, vertical line is used for this figure is divided by the equal parts. Now next is this figure is divided by the horizontal line is used for divided by the equal parts. Now next is figure, this figure is divided by equal parts. Which line? Vertical line is used for divided by the equal parts. Student, now next question D, list all the letters of the English alphabets which have no lines of symmetry. No line, then temporary line is symmetry, then this letter is no lines. Now your F is F, no lines of symmetry, then divided by equal parts, no. Next G, G is divided by two equal parts, no. J, JB is not divided by equal parts. L, L is not divided by the equal parts. N is only for temporary, divided by equal parts, but they have no line of symmetry. P is no line of symmetry. Q have no line of symmetry. R be no line of symmetry. S be only for temporary, then temporary is divided by equal part but opposite sides are not equal, then this is no line of symmetry. Then Z be then opposite sides, then divided by the this one but opposite sides are not equal, then Z is no line of symmetry. Student, now D part is completed. Now student, E, this one, look at the picture given below. Does the dotted line divided each picture into two similar mirror halves? Then E part, then your homework, mention your homework. And F, draw the reflection of the following. Then this part is your homework, mention your homework. And G, draw the line of symmetry of the following shapes. Then student, this is your homework. Question number E, F, G. Student, do your homework. Student, do exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.